Unscrew the hand screw of the counter. Loosen the cable catch wheel and fix the cable on the wheel groove before tightening the screw. Please release the brake slightly, and then pull and push the cable, to verify that the installation is accurate. One PC meter counter link cable, one PC signal link cable. Two cables are labeled with different signs. Straight connection to the control box. Elbow connection to the cable reel. Take out the USB adapter from the back of the keyboard. Insert it into the keyboard port of the control box. Load two PC's number 7 batteries. If you can't typewrite the words, please press F8. The cursor is displayed. Insert the factory-configured USB flash drive into the USB port. Press the OK, REC button to start. Press the down button to select OK to start recording. Then press Stop Del button to end the recording. Control box P to take photo. You can also take photos while recording video. Press the menu button to enter the main menu, then press the up, down, left, right arrows to select a sub-menu. When the light is particularly strong, align the Velcro on both sides of the sunshade precisely, and then fix it to protect the screen in all directions. Press down to turn recording on, press again to turn recording off. LED knob to adjust the light brightness. Operate the first joystick left-right to adjust the camera's near to far focus. Focus one-touch reset function. Operate the second joystick left-right to control camera rotation. The camera returns to its original orientation. Tighten the one-handle screw to brake. When the battery indicator shows the last cell, it means the battery is low. Please connect the charger to the power port. The charger indicator light will show red to indicate that the battery is charging and turns green when full. The equipment does not work properly when there is a malfunction. We need to use this testing cable to assist in the diagnosis. Use the testing cable to connect the camera directly to the control box. Test the full function of the camera. If all the functions are working well, we can confirm that the camera and the control box is in good condition. Then the problem comes from the cable reel part. If the camera part is not working, You can know the problem is from the camera or the control box. Please contact us for the corresponding after-sales support. Thank you.